Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Prakhar Shrivastava and I am presenting you this particular series on Mission Gate. Let us move directly to the lecture then. Okay, so chalo, let us start from here. So the thing that is visible to you is Mission Gate 2021. There is a series going on by the name of Mission Gate 2021 where we are basically discussing about the entire GATE as well as ESE syllabus, and we will be covering the GATE syllabus mostly by November. Okay, so that is what we are trying out right now. The teachers who are included in this particular series are themselves GATE topper, even All India rank 1, 2, 3, 9, 10 ESE rankers. So you don't have to worry about the strategy. Dekho, content is available throughout internet. On YouTube itself, you will be getting content at a lot of places. But what actually matters or what actually differs you is the personal guidance. So if you want to join an academy, you can use my referral code Prakhar21. I'll use the red color. RAKHAR21 without space. Prakhar21 to get a 10% off directly. Okay, this is the team with the help of which I am presenting this course. And talking something about myself, my name is Prakhar Shrivastava. I have secured All India rank 3 in GATE 2016. Then I took admission into IIT Bombay. Finally, I switched from IIT Bombay to NITI Mumbai to complete my Masters in Industrial Engineering. NITI is one of the top-notch institutes in India for supply chain management and industrial engineering. And as a faculty, I take this many subjects, that is industrial engineering, manufacturing technology and mathematics. So if you are having any doubt, you can reach out to me on my Facebook account. ठीक है, फेसबुक पे आप वैसे ही रीच आउट कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. यू कैन रीच आउट टू मी ऑन फेसबुक और you can also reach out to me on the below given Telegram channel. Okay, for more details just reach out to me on any social media platform. I am available. ठीक है, so as you all know, I am bringing you entirely new structure of this particular series. We are almost done with welding, so we will be completing welding in next 3 lectures, and then I'll give a halt to this series for about 10 to 20 days because I'll be taking courses or lectures on Unacademy previous year question channel. Yes, you heard it right, previous year question channel. A previous year question channel. Sir, ये क्या होता है? So there is a channel that is designed by us and we will be giving you 15 to 20 years questions of GATE, 20 years GATE questions subject wise and top subject wise. Okay, like production engineering 2010 paper, production engineering set A question, production engineering 2017 paper set B question. Then in 2013 we have 4 sets. So complete division in a proper structured way, you will be getting the previous year question, which is one of the most important thing when you go out for the preparation of GATE. Okay, so thank you so much for your love and support. So that is why only we were able to launch this new channel, and keep supporting us. If you have any doubt, you can reach out to me at any point of time. Okay, and one important thing, on 23rd of June, that is tomorrow, 12 PM, I am having a special class that is again free, and there I am starting with the metal cutting. So your previous year question will happen from Unacademy previous year question YouTube channel, whereas your metal cutting will be covered for free on Unacademy special classes platform. Is it clear? So we will be giving you the entire content. You don't have to worry about that. See, what happens in Plus? Many of you might be thinking, sir, what if you are giving the content, what is the difference between Plus and free? Dekho, on Plus, you will be getting the personalized guidance. On Plus, we will be solving much more. We will be more and more dedicated towards the cracking the examination. Each and every child will be getting a special attention. Whereas on YouTube, we are giving it for the general purpose, for a generous purpose, and you can take the content as you want. Okay, the content will be sure for good. I am myself a ranker, so you don't have to worry about the strategy and the content part. But the most important thing is that if you come to Plus, you will be getting a personalized guidance. And I don't think for making a career, just a minimal charge you have to pay. Okay, for more details you can reach out. Chalo. The only thing I expect, previous year question will be covered from the channel. concept through example that we will discuss here, because our strategy is to connect the gap between the students understanding and the demand of the examination. That is what we are trying to do. ठीक है, तो I hope that you will be liking it. And on plus your end to end preparation is there. Now what is our end to end preparation? So starting from the theory, practice question, there is a rank improvement batch that is going on, where 2000 unique question we are trying to give throughout mechanical. So you don't have to worry about the questions, sir, which college to choose, which college to leave, which branch to choose. So in just one subscription, we'll be giving your, like you can say, we'll be helping you out not only in the exam preparation but also in guiding you in getting your favorite PSU and favorite college as well. ठीक है, we'll try our best that you get what you deserve. ठीक है, the only thing that I expect is proper note making. Proper note making is something which is uncompromised. ठीक है, I'll give you notes, you don't have to worry about that, but your notes are more close to you. एक personal connect होता है इन notes के साथ. Okay, so try to make your own notes. If you require help in note making, I'll be more than happy to help you out. But see, if you ask me for notes, time consumption होता है सर, ज़्यादा होता है, ये होता है, that is fine. But your notes are your notes. You cannot study from my notes. Is it clear? If I'm explaining you and I'm making you write, that stays in your mind for a very long time. But if you see something new, you see notes क्या है, मेरे notes जैसे वैसे ही books हैं. But don't you think books are difficult? That difficulty, that is psychological impact. आपको वो समझना पड़ेगा. Psychology क्या होती है कि आप जो चीज़ लिख रहे हैं ना, वो लिखते समय आपको याद हो जाती है. ठीक है, तो वो चीज़ आपको अपने माइंड में रखनी है और आपको प्रॉपर नोट्स बनाने हैं. नोट्स बनाने की हेल्प चाहिए तो मैं बिल्कुल करूंगा. ठीक है, तो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द कोट. 2 secrets for success is that first you have to begin. You don't have to think, just idea है, करना है, nothing. If you have decided something, start with that. And second is to finish the task. If you have started something, you have to finish. And one more quote. It's what you do in the dark that puts you in the light. So don't hesitate from putting efforts. Don't hesitate from waking up early in the morning or like practicing question late in the night. Whatever you are doing, that will pay off. That will pay off one day. ठीक है, चलो let us start. So this is just a test. चलो, I think that I am visible on this part. Here I am visible. So I'll try to keep myself in the second half. So today the lecture deserves 2 topics. ठीक है. So first I will try to cover thermite welding. Second I will try to cover gas welding. Is it clear? So first you need to understand about the welding part. ठीक है. Please pay attention. What is welding? So there are what we have to study in welding. You have to study fusion welding. Then you have to study non-fusion welding. When it comes to fusion welding, the topics that will be covered is arc welding. That is already covered. ठीक है, arc welding में हमने क्या पढ़ा था? Submerged arc welding, shielded metal gas arc welding, TIG, MIG, electroslag welding. These are 5 arc welding process. In arc welding process, only heat is used. ठीक है, when we are giving the heat, suppose आपको ये दोनों चीजें ज्वाइन करनी है, तो what are 2 ways? Either we can heat it up so that some part of this melt, some part of this melt, and we allow it to solidify so that ये दोनों join हो जाएंगे, both of them will be joined. Or second is put like this and put a lot of pressure from both the sides, so one part molecule will get diffused into this and this red molecule will get diffused in this blue part, so they will be joined. Yes or no? So fusion welding is one in which your melting is taking place. Your melting is taking place. ठीक है, so in arc welding your melting is there, so only heat is there. Second comes your resistance welding. In resistance welding, you have both heat. This heat melts plus pressure. Then comes the special welding processes. In special welding processes, you have the subjects like gas welding, thermite welding, and 2-3 other welding process. Is it clear? Plasma arc welding, ठीक है? But in all of them, one thing is common: fusion. That is, both the part melts and get mixed each other. Yes or no? When it comes to non-fusion welding, you have certain important things here, like solid state welding process. Solid state welding process. Sir, ये solid state क्या होता है? Suppose again you want to join two parts, but you are applying pressure so that molecules of this enters this part and molecule of this enters this part. Yes or no? Yes or no? Is it clear? So that is why no melting is there. Molecular diffusion is there. That is, only pressure is applied. Is it clear? Then comes the allied processes. Then comes the allied processes. In allied process, you have subjects like soldering, brazing, and adhesion. Adhesion means simple glue. So what is the special about allied processes? देखो, in one we are giving heat. In solid state we are only applying pressure, but due to pressure also some amount of heat is generated. ठीक है, whatever is the scenario, I don't care. But in soldering, brazing and adhesion, that takes place at room temperature. Have you seen कि आपका कभी मोबाइल खराब हुआ हो या लैपटॉप खराब हुआ हो? You go to the welder, they are having a torch. These people, that is a soldering torch. Is it clear? Sometimes it is not possible to melt the material. ठीक है, you have to put pressure on the material. Then how you will join? Such processes comes under the heading of allied processes. And finally, you have to also discuss about the welding defects. Now there are various welding processes like TIG, MIG, that comes under arc welding. Then spot welding, seam welding, projection welding, that comes under resistance welding. Then your friction welding, explosion welding, ultrasonic welding, that comes under your non-fusion. Okay, and your room temperature soldering, brazing. So this is your welding syllabus. This is your welding syllabus. Okay, and out of this welding syllabus, the important part, these two parts are having numericals, important numericals. Is it clear? So this is your welding syllabus. Let us move forward then. ठीक है, तो give the heading as gas welding दीजिए आप. Give the heading as gas welding. सर व्हाट इज गैस वेल्डिंग? ये तो आपने बता दिया, इट इज अ फ्यूजन वेल्डिंग प्रोसेस. सो हमें ये तो पता है दैट हीट विल बी देयर एंड ड्यू टू हीट मेल्टिंग विल बी देयर. ड्यू टू मेल्टिंग मिक्सिंग विल बी देयर एंड आफ्टर मिक्सिंग वी अलाउ इट टू सॉलिडिफाई and finally we get the welded product. Sir, this is clear, but I want to know from where this heat is generated. From where this heat is generated, you need to understand that. तो देखो क्या होता है. Please pay attention guys. स्टाइलस को थोड़ा यहां कर लेते हैं. Please draw it along with me so that you don't waste time. These are two cylinders. ठीक है, one I am showing with red cap, one I am showing with white cap. Now the one of the cylinder contains, एक काम करो, draw it like this, draw along with me like this. I am quite poor at diagram. So here your flame will be there. This yellow color one is your flame. Now, ठीक है, now due to this flame, temperature goes up to 3000 degrees Celsius. Don't you think that it will melt? It will melt the material. Most of the material will be melted. Yes or no? So now, why heat is there? You might be thinking why heat is there. So देखो, one is the oxygen cylinder, the other one is the acetylene cylinder. Is it clear? One is the oxygen cylinder, the other one is the acetylene cylinder. Come on guys, जल्दी जल्दी बनाओ इस डायग्राम को. ठीक है? Now, this becomes your mixing chamber. मिक्सिंग चेम्बर. नाउ अब मिक्सिंग चेम्बर के बाद क्या होता है तो ध्यान से देखिए. हियर यू आर हैविंग अ रेगुलेटिंग वाल्व, हियर यू आर हैविंग अ रेगुलेटिंग वाल्व. थ्रू दिस वाल्व, डाउन वाला वाल्व, ये वाला किस पार्ट में अटैच्ड है? C2H2. तो these valve actually control the supply of O2 and CH2. O2 and CH2 are mixed, a reaction happens. Due to that reaction, the flame happens. Is it clear? So this is the you can say this is the basic of gas welding. Since two things are being utilized here, this is also known as oxyacetylene welding. Due to the presence of oxygen and acetylene. Acetylene. Is it clear? Oxyacetylene welding. So देखो, वेल्डिंग के लिए यू आइदर रिक्वायर हीट और प्रेशर. सो कोई भी वेल्डिंग प्रोसेस है, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू नीड टू स्टडी, द फर्स्ट थिंग यू नीड टू इमेजिन, यार कैसे हुआ होगा, यार ये क्यों हो रही है, वेल्डिंग क्यों हो रही है. आइदर मेल्टिंग इज टेकिंग प्लेस और प्रेशर, प्रेशर यानी मॉलिक्यूलर डिफ्यूजन और मेल्टिंग, मॉलिक्यूलर डिफ्यूजन मेल्टिंग. अच्छा, इन दिस केस ड्यू टू हीट मेल्टिंग इज देयर. आफ्टर मेल्टिंग द टू पार्ट्स गेट मिक्स्ड, व्हेन इट गेट सॉलिडिफाइड तो वी गेट द जॉइंट प्रोडक्ट. ये दोनों पिघलेंगे, मिक्सअप होंगे, तो डोंट यू थिंक आफ्टर दे गेट सॉलिडिफाइड दे बिकम वन प्रोडक्ट. दैट इज व्हाट वेल्डिंग इज, दैट इज व्हाट वेल्डिंग इट. सो प्लीज स्टार्ट राइटिंग नाउ. ठीक है, लिखो. हीट इज डिराइव्ड, हीट इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम कंबंशन ऑफ फ्यूल from combustion of fuel such as acetylene and oxygen. Since complete melting is there, since complete melting is there, what you call it as? जब पूरी melting होती है तो what you call it as? This is called fusion welding. This is a type of fusion welding. This is a type of fusion welding. ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें तो क्लियर ही हैं आपको. अब देखो, इक्वेशन लिख लो कि क्यों हो रहा है, तो प्लीज राइट द इक्वेशन. C2H2 acetylene when mixed with oxygen it will try to give 2 carbon monoxide plus H2 plus 448 kilojoule per mole of energy. So can you say this is, we are getting energy due to exothermic reaction? That is, a reaction is taking place due to which some amount of heat is generated. Now प्लीज पे अटेंशन. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट विल हैपन, आपको यहां देखना पड़ेगा, दीज टू विल बी द प्रोडक्ट, बट डोंट यू थिंक दैट ऑक्सीजन इज ऑल्सो देयर इन द एनवायरमेंट. So this is the second grade reaction, 2CO plus H2 plus O2. When you do this, you will get CO2, that green color one, CO2 plus H2O plus 812 kilojoule per mole. So blue color line shows what? Blue color line shows your first hand reaction, but there is a subsequent reaction due to the presence of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. It reacts with the oxygen present in the environment. And जो green color की equation है ना, that is there. So don't you think the heat generated in this stage and heat generated in this stage, they will lead to what? Melting. This heat melts the workpiece. See, in welding, your heat source is very, very important. Your heat source is very, 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 very important. Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you? So now देखो क्या होगा. Since two reaction is there, this is one cone and this is one cone. Sir, what is cone? Sir, what is cone? So ये जो येलो कलर का दिख रहा है ना, this is known as cone. Due to combustion, this will be your first cone and this will be your second cone. Don't you think so? Yes sir, I think so. Why not? जब भी देखो, whenever there is a reaction, what will happen? That a combustion flame is generated. So this particular flame, ये जो flame है आपकी, that flame is having two reactions. So that is why it is made up of two feathers, internal feather and our external feather. We will study about that, you don't have to worry. We will study about that. ठीक है, चलो. Let me check कि सब सही जा रहा है कि नहीं. Just a second. I think that it is clearly visible. आपको समझ में भी आ रहा है. ठीक है, सब कुछ सही चल रहा है. Let us go back to the lecture then. चलो, ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. So this is clear to all of you. Please note down then. In oxyacetylene welding, देखो, in gas welding there can be any gases, but when we are using acetylene and oxygen, that is known as oxyacetylene welding, and the equation that we have written here is for oxyacetylene welding only. ठीक है, so that is why we will not write gas welding, we will write oxyacetylene welding. You write it complete, I am writing it in short. Oxyacetylene welding, combustion takes place, C means combustion takes place in two stages. Yes or no? Blue wali and green wali, yes or no? Yes or no? The first reaction takes place when oxygen and acetylene are mixed. Oxygen and acetylene are mixed. I am changing color just because to make you realize कि यहां पे important part है. ठीक है, this releases intense heat. This releases intense heat. Heat निकलेगी, exothermic reaction है, और ये ही heat is utilized to melt the material. This heat is in form of a flame. And this heat only melts your workpiece. जो वर्कपीस की मेल्टिंग हो रही है, टू ज्वाइन टू वर्कपीस यू रिक्वायर टू मेल्ट देम. हाउ मेल्टिंग इज टेकिंग प्लेस? थ्रू हीट. फ्रॉम वेयर यू आर गेटिंग हीट? ड्यू टू द रिएक्शन. Is it clear? This releases intense heat and melting takes place. it is represented or it is visible as white cone, WHITE, white cone, ठीक है, white cone, and this is quite small, this is quite small. Is it clear? Let us go back. ये जो छोटा सा पार्ट दिख रहा है ना आपको, let me draw it white. This is your white cone. This is your white cone. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you? Yes or no? Yes or no? ठीक है, चलो. Now, please pay attention. This is visible as white cone. Though, now, in which stage? This is stage 1. This is stage 2. There are two stages. So clearly visible that in stage 2 more amount of heat is generated. It is clearly visible that in stage 2 more amount of heat is generated. So temperature of the outside cone should be more. Yes or no? Yes or no? Because देखो ये जो heat है, due to this heat only the temperature is increasing. So more heat in second stage, so more temperature will be of second stage. Yes or no? No. Why? Because don't you think that outside second stage feather is much bigger, much bigger, whereas the inner cone is small. So whatever is the heat is distributed in this area only, whereas outer cone 800 joules is there, so heat is distributed at a larger area, so the temperature decreases. That's why although heat generated is more in second stage, but your cone 1 will be having higher temperature. Cone 1, smaller cone will be having higher temperature. So please note it down. Though the higher amount of heat is produced in second stage, though higher amount of heat is produced in second stage, but temperature over smaller cone, smaller white cone लिख लीजिए, smaller white cone is more, because BECAUC, because in second stage heat is distributed over larger area. Heat is distributed over larger area, and that is why effective temperature decreases. Effective temperature decreases on second cone. Second ब्रैकेट में लिख लीजिएगा larger cone. Is it clear? Now आपको फ्लेम पूरी समझ में आ गई है, from where heat is getting generated, how the subjects look like. Yes or no? Yes or no? So let us start with the types of flame. This is clear to all of you. This is crystal clear to all of you. So start, give the heading types of flame. सर ये टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लेम क्या होता है? फ्लेम तो फ्लेम होती है, आग तो एक ही जल रही है, ठीक है. आप गैस को ऑन करेंगे तब भी देयर इज ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ अ फ्लेम, ठीक है. इफ यू पुट ऑन द लाइटर दैट इज ऑल्सो वन टाइप ऑफ अ फ्लेम, ठीक है. बट देखो क्या होता है. नाउ देयर कैन बी 3 केसेस व्हेन एसिटिलीन इज मोर देन ऑक्सीजन. So that flame is known as carburizing flame. Second case would be oxygen is more than C2H2. So that is known as oxidizing flame. I'll tell you what happens when there is a difference. You don't have to worry about that. यार ध्यान दो बस. Oxidizing flame. And there can be this scenario as well. That is, acetylene and oxygen are equal. Such scenario would take place the name of neutral flame. Neutral flame. So there are three types of flame. So when oxygen is more than C2H2, तो देखिए क्या हो रहा है. Here I am using extra oxygen, yes or no? So don't you think whatever we have studied, that is a type of oxidizing flame? That is oxygen is more than your C2H2. Oxygen is more than your C2H2, yes or no? So please give the heading of oxidizing flame. कहीं भी आप लिख लीजिए पहले that whatever we have discussed, that is oxidizing flame. In oxidizing flame you have two cones, smaller white cone and outer yellow or bluish cone. So let us start with then carburizing flame. Let us start with the heading of carburizing flame. Is it clear? Oxidizing flame we have discussed till now. The only two things that we have discussed, we have to discuss, that is oxidizing neutral flame and carburizing flame. तो देखो क्या होता है, ध्यान से देखना, लिखो, देखो यहां क्या होगा. Don't you think if oxygen will be less, some amount of acetylene will remain unburnt because you require equal amount of oxygen. When you try to balance, this will be C2H2 plus O2 react to give 2CO plus H2, and when you again give the reaction, ठीक है, you require more amount. Both of them are required in same amount. If you have extra oxygen, then at that point of time what will happen? Both the reaction takes place. But suppose here you are having lesser amount of oxygen. Don't you think some amount of acetylene will be left? Obviously it will be left. Don't you think so? Yes sir, yes sir. So acetylene बच जाएगा हमारा. Some unburnt acetylene is left. ठीक है, तो अब मैं यहां से ये इरेज कर रहा हूं. I'll continue with carburizing flame. ठीक है, चलो. So please note down. Carburizing flame, I am writing it as CF, is same as आप एक काम करिएगा, इसको न्यूट्रल फ्लेम लिखिएगा जो अभी हमने डिस्कस की है. दिस इज योर न्यूट्रल फ्लेम, दिस इज योर न्यूट्रल फ्लेम. इज इट क्लियर? सो वट एवर वी हैव डिस्कस्ड टिल नाउ, कीप इट एज न्यूट्रल फ्लेम. ठीक है, चलो. बिकॉज यहां पर हमने रिएक्शन में भी दोनों को 1-1 दिया है ना. So C2H2 and O2 are equal. ठीक है, that is fine. So and this oxygen is not the normal oxygen. This is your atmospheric oxygen. लिख लीजिए कहीं. Then you get confused कि सर ऑक्सीजन ज्यादा हो रहा है. This is your atmospheric oxygen. That is available in all the three cases. Is it clear? But अगर यहां पे ऑक्सीजन कम हो जाएगा तो ये रिएक्शन ही प्रॉपर नहीं हो पाएगा. अगर ये रिएक्शन ही प्रॉपर नहीं हो पाएगा तो ये हीट नहीं निकलेगी. So don't you think that heat will be less in carburizing flame? Don't you think heat will be less in carburizing flame? Yes sir. So अब लिख लो, I'll make you draw the cone. लिखो, carburizing flame is similar to neutral flame. कंपैरिजन में लिखा दूंगा, बट ट्राई टू गेट द फीलिंग व्हाई दिस इज हैपनिंग. एट मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेसेस रिएक्शन आपको मिल जाएगा, यू विल गेट दैट ये ब्लू फ्लेम होती है, बट व्हाई दैट ब्लू फ्लेम इज देयर, व्हाई दैट रेड फ्लेम इज देयर, व्हाई दैट ब्लू फ्लेम, दिस व्हाइट कोन इज देयर, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. इज इट क्लियर? तो देखो, कार्बराइजिंग फ्लेम इज सिमिलर टू योर न्यूट्रल फ्लेम, बट ड्यू टू unburnt acetylene. There is an addition of external intermediate flame feather. There is addition of intermediate flame feather. Intermediate flame feather. Yes or no? Now, how your flame will look like? There is an inner cone. There is an outer blue flame that is visible. Okay? But there is also a reddish cone in between. So there are 3 cones. So now do you understand that this part shows presence of unburnt acetylene. जो जला नहीं है ना एसिटिलीन, एसिटिलीन और ऑक्सीजन बराबर, अगर ऑक्सीजन कम हो गया तो देयर विल बी सम अमाउंट ऑफ एसिटिलीन जो बर्न नहीं होगा. दैट रेड कोन शोज दैट ओनली. द लॉन्गर विल बी द लेंथ ऑफ दिस कोन, द मोर अमाउंट ऑफ मटेरियल. इज इट क्लियर? दिस शोज लॉन्गर, अभी ये मत लिखो, मैं लिखवा दूंगा, गलत है ये. शोज प्रेजेंस ऑफ अनबर्न्ट एसिटिलीन. ठीक है, अनबर्न्ट एसिटिलीन. So the feather is 3 feathers. There will be 3 feathers in this flame. There will be 3 feathers in the carburizing flame. There will be 3 feathers in the carburizing flame. Is it clear? Now एक और चीज होती है, देखो. Now लिख लो पहले. We'll move. This unburnt acetylene sometimes drops. अब ये अनबर्न्ट है तो ये डोंट यू थिंक जो वेल्डेड पूल है, आप यहां पे टॉर्च लिए हुए हैं ऐसे करके, सो डोंट यू थिंक अनबर्न्ट एसिटिलीन यहां पे ड्रॉप हो सकता है? यस और नो? तो अनबर्न्ट एसिटिलीन समटाइम ड्रॉप्स इन वेल्ड पूल एंड दिस रिजल्ट इन बॉइलिंग ऑफ वेल्ड पूल. Boiling of weld pool. So that is why whenever a pool is boiling, can you say that is a carburizing flame? Yes, obviously. Why can't you say that is a carburizing flame? Is it clear? So that is why, how you find out a flame is carburizing flame? First, a reddish feather will be visible. Second, your weld pool will be boiling because this hot C2H2 drops into the weld pool. Is it clear? Now this, अच्छा, C2H2 में don't you think that carbon is there? When carbon is dropped into the material, don't you think it will make the material hard and brittle? कार्बन की प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है? कार्बन मेक्स एनीथिंग हार्ड एंड ब्रिटल. डायमंड क्या है? डायमंड इज एलोट्रोप. यस और नो? डायमंड इज एलोट्रोप ऑफ कार्बन. ग्राफाइट is allotrope of carbon. Diamond is very hard. Why? Because carbon is there. So please note down. I am not writing it. You note down in this format only. Since C2H2 contains carbon, along with boiling, it also makes the part hard and brittle. It also makes the part hard and brittle. So, देखो, अब कार्बन भी है, तो don't you think that it will provide a reducing environment? Yes or no? जब किसी चीज में हम ऐड करते कार्बन तो it get reduced. Yes or no? Oxidize, reduction, oxidation and reduction. So that is why what happens, that this due to the addition of carbon, it produces what? It produces your reducing environment. It produces your reducing environment. Yes or no? So अगर ये reducing environment है तो don't you think what becomes its application? It is good for product. It is used for materials which are readily oxidized. Which are readily oxidized. Yes or no? Yes sir, ये तो आप सही बोल रहे हो. Which are readily oxidized. Is it clear? ठीक है. So application भी आपको पता चल गई. Application भी आपको पता चल गई that what is the application? It is used for material which are readily oxidized. Yes or no? So ठीक है, चलो ये तो हो गया. तो लिख लीजिए कार्बन स्टील, हाई कार्बन स्टील, हाई स्पीड स्टील. नाउ 3 फेदर्स होते हैं, ये भी आपको पता चल गया था. ठीक है. टेम्परेचर अभी मैं नहीं बता रहा हूं, टेम्परेचर मैं बता दूंगा एंड आई विल गिव द रीजन व्हाई दैट टेम्परेचर इज. द थर्ड टाइप ऑफ फ्लेम इज व्हाट? ऑक्सीडाइजिंग फ्लेम. आइए, ये ऑक्सीडाइजिंग flame. What do you mean by oxidizing flame? That your oxygen is more than your C2H2. Yes or no? Oxygen is more than C2H2. तो लिख लो, देखो क्या होगा. इसका फेदर कैसा दिखेगा? Please pay attention. There will be the smaller white cone, but earlier it used to look like this, but in this case it will look like a bit smaller. Is it clear? तो आपका जो कोन है वो इस तरीके का दिखेगा, थोड़ा और छोटा हो जाएगा इनर कोन. सेम, इट लुक सेम लाइक न्यूट्रल फ्लेम. इनर व्हाइट कोन एंड आउटर ब्लू फ्लेम. इनर व्हाइट कोन एंड आउटर ब्लू फ्लेम. ठीक है, इनर व्हाइट कोन एंड आउटर ब्लू फ्लेम, बट द इनर कोन इज स्मॉलर एज कंपेयर टू द न्यूट्रल फ्लेम. ये ध्यान रखिएगा. देखिए, एक नाम आपको याद रहना चाहिए, ये प्रखर 21 किसी भी हालत में. ठीक है. इफ आई एम गिविंग माई बेस्ट टू टीच यू, आई डोंट थिंक दैट यू रिक्वायर मोर देन दिस. द कंसेप्चुअल लर्निंग दैट आई एम गिविंग यू, दैट इज मच 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 मोर. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग. आपको किसी भी चीज की टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. बट ये जो चीज आपको ऊपर दिख रही है ना, दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग. ठीक है. यू डोंट रिक्वायर मोर देन दिस. यू इफ यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट, डोंट वरी, अटेंड ऑल द लेक्चर्स. ठीक है. मेटल कटिंग के लेक्चर्स विल बी देयर फ्रॉम टुमारो मॉर्निंग. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग. तो ये चीज होती है, दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस. लिख लीजिए, येलो से लिख लीजिए. फ्लेम इज सिमिलर टू flame is similar to neutral flame. Flame is similar to neutral flame. ठीक है, आपको कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं है. मैं अभी कमेंट नहीं देख पाऊंगा डायरेक्टली बिकॉज यहां पे आज मैंने थोड़ा सा सेटअप चेंज किया है. तो बट यू डोंट वरी, माई टीम विल बी रिप्लाइंग टू यू एट ऑल द टाइम. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट दैट. माई टीम विल बी रिप्लाइंग टू यू. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग. ठीक है. चलो, flame is similar to neutral flame with the exception that inner cone becomes small. inner white cone लिख लीजिएगा. inner white cone becomes small. inner white cone becomes small. Is it clear to all of you? ये चीज क्रिस्टल क्लियर दिमाग में भर जानी चाहिए. ऑक्सीडाइजिंग फ्लेम 2 cones, न्यूट्रल फ्लेम 2 cones, कार्बनाइजिंग फ्लेम 3 cones. Why 3 cones? Because of unburnt carbon, unburnt acetylene. Unburnt acetylene get drops into the weld pool. Weld pool starts boiling. Now acetylene is dropping into the weld pool. Don't you think acetylene is having carbon, so it makes the welded joint hard and brittle? Yes or no? So this thing should be crystal clear in your mind. ठीक है, comparing neutral flame and oxidizing flame is having smaller cone due to more number of oxygen. देखो, the more oxidation is there, the more oxygen is there, more burning is there. More burning is there, cone will become less, cone will become small. Is it clear? Now because burning is not taking place, don't you think that there is an intermediate cone? The more burning is there, as you increase the amount of oxygen, this red cone shifts inside, and when both of them become equal, that is acetylene and your oxygen, this red cone vanishes and it becomes the diagram of that your figure of similar to your neutral flame. Is it clear? चलो, सो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग फ्लेम भी हो गया. थोड़ा सा और लिख लेते हैं ऑक्सीडाइजिंग फ्लेम के बारे में, देन वी विल रैप अप दिस. थोड़ा सा और लिख लेंगे, डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग. बिकॉज ऑफ द जस्ट अ सेकेंड, एक्चुअली इट इज रेनिंग यार, बहुत समय से आज हमारे यहाँ, मतलब आई लिव इन एमपी, सो हियर इट इज रेनिंग अ लॉट फ्रॉम लाइक सिंस मॉर्निंग, सिंस 2-3 days. सो देखो, you will be catching cold and cough because the weather is changing. So don't worry and don't take pressure, because I've seen most of the people that is normal cough, cold and cough flu. You don't have to take it lightly. Just consult someone, but don't panic. Don't start to panic that corona हो गया. ठीक है, just have patience. Everything has having a way, or everything is having a solution. You just have to keep yourself calm and composed, because then only you will be giving 100% productivity. That's it. There is no use of panic. You should be calm and composed, because देखो panic करके क्या कोरोना ठीक हो जाएगा अगर होगा भी तो. See, we all know that corona is treatable. ठीक है, so have patience, avoid contact, maintain social distancing, and if you feel the symptoms, don't panic. That is the first and foremost, the very important thing. ठीक है, now this thing was actually, देखो कोरोना से बचने की चीज़ें तो बहुत लोग बता रहे हैं, ठीक है, that is you need to maintain social distancing and all, but there is a very good initiative by this person in our area, ठीक है, that is Collector Jabalpur. What he is doing right now, he is sending the vehicles, ठीक है. Now these vehicles are announcing that it is treatable, you don't have to worry. So what they are actually doing, they are decreasing the tension among the population, and this is the most important thing. ठीक है, कोरोना सही हो सकता है, बट इफ यू गेट साइकोलॉजिकली इम्पैक्टेड ना, यू विल स्टार्ट एम्बाइबिंग इट कि यार मुझे तो है ही, एंड देन यू विल फाइंड आउट द वेज दैट ओ दिस इज द सिम्टम, ओ दैट इज द सिम्टम. सो ट्राई टू अवॉइड रीडिंग न्यूसेंस ऑन द इंटरनेट. Try to go for the reliable sources only, and consult your doctor if you feel something. Don't try to take decision by yourself. That is first and foremost an announcement to all of you. I found this to be really interesting and something new. ठीक है, social distancing everything is fine, but आपको जो psychological impact है ना, उसको भी measure करना है. ठीक है, चलो. So where were we? तो क्या बोल रहे थे? हाँ, there is a video called by Amy Cuddy. I have told you or not, see this video. Fake it till you make it. It's an absolutely amazing video to boost up your confidence. Try to have an open posture. Don't try to sit like this or this. Try to have an open posture, because that increases your confidence. Okay, try to expand. Is it clear? If you expand, if your opportunity expands, your clarity expands, okay, your thinking expands. So you need to cover a larger volume. Is it clear? So that is why try to expand. If you feel like demotivated, if you feel that you are having a pressure, reach out to me on Facebook. I'll be more than happy to help you out. ठीक है, चलो. Fake it till you make it. It's a TED talk. It's one of the most amazing TED talk that I have ever heard. ठीक है, it's a TED talk. चलो, ये भी एक important चीज़ थी, अच्छा वो बता दिया मैंने. So let us come back to the lecture then. ठीक है, चलो, क्या था? Write down, because of the burning of metal, देखो, more oxygen, तो there will be more burning. If more burning is there, तो write down, more burning. The weld pool produces foam and spark. Okay, so if foam and spark is there, can you identify that is an oxidizing flame? If boiling of pool is there, can you find out that it is a carburizing flame? Yes or no? Crystal clear होना चाहिए हर चीज. Is it clear? Weld pool produces foam and spark. Now, अब spark होगा, don't you think that there will be noise? So that is why it is observed as loud noise. It is observed as loud noise. So now this can be used for non-ferrous alloys. See, I am referring 3 books, my own material, and देखो explanation part is from my knowledge, and even I am giving you the proper notes from books and material and my notes, so you don't have to worry about anything. Is it clear? एक चीज ये लिख लीजिए, the presence of excess oxygen the presence of excess oxygen leads to what? अब ऑक्सीजन होगी तो क्या होगा? Leads to formation of what? Oxide layer. And by now you all know that oxide layer is what? Oxide layer is what? It is ceramic material. So this is hard, and if it is hard, don't you think it acts as a protective layer? Is it clear? तो ये चीज जो थी वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट थी. नाउ लेट अस गो बैक टू द टेम्परेचर पार्ट. देखो यहां क्या होगा, प्लीज पे अटेंशन. आई विल गिव यू वन थिंग, यू विल टेल मी द रिमेनिंग पार्ट. लेट अस गो बैक टू दिस फ्लेम. देखो इसका टेम्परेचर रहता है अबाउट 3100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. यस और नो? ये तो मैंने बता दिया था 3000 डिग्री सेल्सियस है, और बाहर वाले का रहता है 1875 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ये तो ठीक है. चलो नाउ अगर इफ आई नीड टू डू मेल्टिंग, आई विल ऑब्वियसली कंसिडर दिस 3100 बिकॉज मोर हीट, मोर टेम्परेचर, मोर मेल्टिंग. ठीक है, बट फ्रॉम न्यूट्रल फ्लेम I am moving towards carburizing. So in carburizing flame lesser amount of oxygen is there. अगर lesser amount of oxygen है तो lesser burning is there. Lesser burning है तो lesser temperature is there. Yes or no? So that is why in this case जो maximum temperature रहता है, देखो सबसे पहली बात तो maximum temperature will be of the innermost cone because smallest area is taken by the innermost cone. So whatever is the heat is distributed to a very small area like this. That's it. बड़ा वाले flame का is distributed to a larger area. So that is why we are only concerned with the inner cone. 2900 degrees Celsius. Is it clear? In carburizing flame it is decreasing. In oxidizing flame more oxygen is there, more burning is there. Due to more burning the white cone is reducing its size. So don't you think that now the heat is distributed to a lesser area? Now the heat is distributed to lesser area, so temperature will increase. So that is why the maximum temperature is observed in oxidizing flame, and that is 3300 degree Celsius. Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you? That is what you need to understand. ये वाला हो गया पार्ट, नोट्स हो गए. Now let us take some important stuff. देख लेते हैं कुछ काम का है कि नहीं है. वैसे तो मैंने पूरा कवर अप करा दिया है. एक दो चीजें जो छोटा मोटा पॉइंट छूटा होगा आई विल ट्राई टू कवर. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग. न्यूट्रल फ्लेम में कैसा साउंड रहता है? ज्यादा साउंड नहीं रहता, सिंपल न्यूट्रल फ्लेम में. लेट अस गो टू न्यूट्रल फ्लेम. दिस इज योर न्यूट्रल फ्लेम. सो राइट डाउन हियर, कहीं भी लिख लीजिए, दिस देयर इज अ हिजिंग साउंड. So like this. Whereas in oxidizing flame, oxygen की quantity is increasing, sparks is increasing, burning is increasing, burning spark loud noise. So oxidizing flame is observed by loud noise. Is it clear? It is used to weld. लिख लीजिए, एप्लीकेशन नहीं लिखा था ना, कहीं भी लिख लीजिए, यहां लिख लीजिए. It is used to weld aluminium. Neutral flame is used to weld aluminium. बबल, ठीक है. कार्बराइजिंग फ्लेम में इतनी कोई नॉइज नहीं रहती है. एवरीथिंग इज क्रिस्टल क्लियर टू यू. लाउड नॉइज को रोरिंग साउंड भी बोलते हैं. ऑक्सीडाइजिंग फ्लेम में लाउड नॉइज होती है ना, इसको रोरिंग भी बोलते हैं, रोरिंग साउंड. रोरिंग साउंड, ठीक है. अब थोड़ा सा सेटअप के बारे में लिख लीजिए. ये जो सेटअप था ना, दैट फ्रॉम विच दीज सिलेंडर्स आर मेड, ठीक है, उस सेटअप के बारे में लिख लीजिए. सेटअप लिख लीजिए. मैं कुछ पॉइंट्स दूंगा, वो लिख लीजिएगा बस. ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर वाल्व्स आर मेड अप ऑफ ब्रास. ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर वाल्व्स आर मेड अप ऑफ ब्रास, ठीक है. और C2H2 वाल्व कैसे बने होते हैं? दे आर मेड अप ऑफ स्टील. इज इट क्लियर? बिकॉज ये रिएक्शन की वजह से एक्सप्लोजन हो जाता है, ठीक है. ब्रास क्यों यूज करते हैं हम? बिकॉज इट डज नॉट करोड इजीली. Does not corrode easily, but we cannot use brass with acetylene because brass plus acetylene can make a explosive material और वो blast हो जाएगा cylinder. So that is why second best option was steel. Is it clear? Now, because acetylene is an explosive material, acetylene is absorbed in acetone. Acetylene is absorbed in acetone. Since, ठीक है, चलो ये तो ठीक है. चलो, that was it. So I think that we have sufficiently covered the entire gas welding. The entire gas welding is done. Gas welding. Since first time I am trying this mode of teaching, that is I have changed a bit. So I am not taking a very big lecture for now. And I'll be shortly coming up with more videos. And by the end of this month, देखो अभी syllabus कैसा है. By the end of this month, welding will be completed. Secondly, second important thing, apart from welding, second चीज क्या cover up होगी? Your previous year questions will be covered on that particular channel. So please subscribe to that channel as well. ठीक है? And metal cutting I am going to start from tomorrow. So in next 8 days, I am going to cover, in next 8 days approximately 10 hours. I will cover each and every topic of metal cutting that is important, conceptual part. ठीक है? So you don't have to worry about anything. Your whole syllabus will be covered and at one place only, either on YouTube or on special classes they will be covered. You don't have to worry about anything. Just support me. Join my Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel that is given below in the link. You don't have to worry. Comment if you are having any issue. Reach out to me in the Facebook account. Anything, anything. reach out to me. And if you want to buy any subscription on Unacademy, irrespective GATE and EAC, अगर आपके किसी फ्रेंड्स को भी चाहिए CAT, UPSC, IIT JEE, तो यूज माई कोड प्रखर21. ये सबको पता होना चाहिए. एवरीवन, इज इट क्लियर? यूज माई कोड प्रखर21. यूज माई कोड प्रखर21, प्रखर21, प्रखर21. So I think that there is a power cut. So I'll stop the lecture here only, and we are almost done also. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Thank you and all the best. Don't lose hope. Everything will be covered. If you feel demotivated, please reach out to me. Bye bye.